Hi, my name is Michelle Dyer and this is singergiftideas.com. Now, one of the gift ideas that I love, I saw this binder and I thought it was so cute. Now this is a 3-ring binder. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's a 1-inch 3-ring binder. Now these are great. Look how cute, it's like pink on the inside. Okay, things that I love about this binder. Singers can use this for their music, they can use this for rehearsal, they can also use this for audition. In musical theater world, you can use something with personality, or you can use a 1-inch binder, like a plain 1-inch binder. Now this is an Avery 1-inch binder. It has a little sleeve in the top where you can put in whatever you want in the front. But what I love, when you open it up, the D-ring, it's kind of nice for your accompanists. So when they're flipping the music, the D-ring does hold nicely. Now, other things that I love about this 1-inch binder has pockets on the inside. Pro tip, when you're at an audition, put your resume in the front and the back, just facing out. So sometimes I would walk back to the piano after singing and I would see the accompanist flipping and looking at my resume. So that's super fun. Just have your resume out there on display, just in case they want to check it out. A lot of musical theater performers, singers, we can always use an extra 1-inch, usually 3-ring binder, or to like put old scripts in and stuff. These are great for auditions. Ours usually get dirty because they are thrown in our bag all the time. So 1-inch 3-ring binder, D-ring is lovely. And then I thought this one was just super cute. Another thing is sheet protectors, which I did not break down and did not order, but non-glare sheet protectors are really good to have your music in. Accompanists can flip through. Non-glare sheet protectors, keep your music. Okay, I also ordered this pencil set, but literally this is how it came from Amazon, so I wanted to show you. It's a really cute set. It's from Mr. Pen. It's just kind of falling apart, but basically it's pencils, erasers, pencil sharpener. Oh, we've got a mechanical pencil over here. Some of the traditional pink pencil eraser tops. Oh, that's the little cushiony guy. Anyway, if you want to give your singer friend some nice pencils and nice erasers for their music, because we definitely need to write in pencil because we erase it all the time. And then there's a cute little pencil bag in here too, but this is how it came. But it seems like the pencils are in good quality and the erasers are in good quality. But yeah, definitely like a 3-ring binder, cute or functional, and then a little pencil kit. Great singer gift idea.